Africa, a land woven with golden savannas, lush forests, and vast deserts, carries within it a wild heartbeat that echoes with life. It is here, in these untamed landscapes, that some of the world's most incredible wildlife thrives, a living testament to nature's ingenuity. But these creatures are more than just iconic symbols, they are scientific wonders with secrets waiting to be unraveled. Today, we embark on an awe-inspiring journey to explore the science behind Africa's extraordinary wildlife, understanding how evolution, adaptation, and resilience come together to create this ecological masterpiece. Nature is an artist, and Africa is its most creative canvas. Over millions of years, evolution has carefully shaped the continent's species to survive in some of the harshest and most diverse environments on Earth. For example, the vast arid deserts demand exceptional resilience, while the dense rainforests test animals' agility and adaptability. Take the giraffe, for instance. Its awe-inspiring neck is not just a visual spectacle but a functional marvel of evolution. Over time, giraffes developed elongated necks and specialized cardiovascular systems to access leaves high in the canopy, giving them a distinct advantage over other herbivores. Similarly, desert-dwelling beetles have evolved ingenious ways to collect water from morning mist, using tiny ridges on their shells to channel precious droplets directly to their mouths. Evolution is a continued experiment, with survival as its ultimate success story, and the creatures of Africa are its finest work. The lion, often called the king of the jungle, is a marvel of power and intelligence. These apex predators are designed for the hunt, with muscular builds, sharp claws, and a fearsome bite. But their strength goes beyond physicality. Lions are also social creatures with intricate group dynamics. Their iconic roar isn't just a display of dominance but a long-distance communication tool, heard up to 5 miles away. Through their roars, lions establish territory, locate pride members, and ward off rivals, a true example of nature's balance between aggression and cooperation. Elephants, the largest land animals on Earth, captivate us with their grace, intelligence, and emotional depth. Their massive tusks, so often the target of poachers, are essential tools for stripping bark, digging for water, and defense against predators. Beyond their anatomy, elephants are known for their unparalleled memory, which helps them navigate long migratory routes and find water sources in drought-stricken areas. Their familial bonds, displayed through mourning behaviors and protective parenting, reflect a profound social intelligence unmatched in the animal world. Why do zebras have stripes? Scientists have puzzled over this question for generations, but recent studies suggest their bold black and white patterns act as nature's camouflage. Stripes disrupt a predator's depth perception, making it difficult to isolate and attack an individual in a herd. Some hypotheses even suggest that these stripes help deter biting flies, adding another layer of survival ingenuity. When we talk about adaptation, the cheetah exemplifies perfection in motion. With its long, slender limbs and a flexible spine, cheetahs are born to sprint. Clocking speeds of up to 70 miles per hour, they are the fastest land animals on Earth. But their adaptations don't stop at speed. Cheetahs also possess sharp eyesight and a precision hunting technique, combining strategy and agility to reign as nature's racing champion. Each of these animals represents a chapter in the story of Africa's evolution, a story of survival, innovation, and beauty. Africa's wildlife is bound together in a web of interdependence. Predator-prey dynamics, symbiotic relationships, and keystone species all contribute to the balance in these ecosystems. Consider elephants. As ecosystem engineers, they shape their environment by uprooting trees, creating pathways, and digging waterholes that other species rely on during dry seasons. Meanwhile, oxpecker birds form mutualistic bonds with large mammals, feeding on harmful parasites that threaten their hosts. Even predators like lions and hyenas play a crucial role. By preying on the weak, old, or sick in herds, they help maintain healthy populations of grazers, which in turn regulate vegetation growth. Africa's ecosystems are more than just stunning landscapes, they are dynamic systems where every species, big or small, has a role to play in keeping the balance intact. Behind every breathtaking image of Africa's wildlife is a wealth of research and discovery. Scientists use advanced tools like GPS tracking, motion sensor cameras, and drones to study animal behavior, migrations, and population trends. For example, studies on wildebeest migrations have revealed their remarkable ability to follow seasonal rainfall patterns, relying on instinct and environmental cues to travel thousands of miles across the Serengeti. Moreover, genetic research has uncovered traits in African wildlife that could hold the key to greater global understanding. Take the desert locust, which can shift between solitary and swarming behaviors. Studying their biology has provided insights into animal behavior and climate-triggered migration patterns, which could guide us in tackling similar crises worldwide. Despite its resilience, Africa's wildlife faces unprecedented threats. Climate change is altering habitats, leading to droughts and unpredictable weather patterns that disrupt migration routes. Elephants and rhinos face devastation from poaching, driven by demand for ivory and horns. Human-wildlife conflict is on the rise, as expanding agricultural land encroaches on natural habitats, forcing animals into closer proximity with communities. One example is the plight of the African lion, whose population has plummeted by over 40% in the past 2 decades due to habitat loss and human activities. Without urgent intervention, these magnificent creatures, and the balance they bring to ecosystems, could disappear forever. Thankfully, not all hope is lost. Across the continent, dedicated organizations and individuals are leading conservation efforts aimed at protecting Africa's unique wildlife. From deploying anti-poaching units to creating wildlife corridors that reconnect fragmented habitats, these initiatives are making a significant impact. Community-driven approaches are also proving effective. Programs like Kenya's Masai Mara Conservancy empower local tribes to actively participate in conservation while benefiting from ecotourism revenue. Similarly, wildlife sanctuaries and breeding programs provide safe havens for endangered species, ensuring their survival. Technology, too, plays a vital role. Conservationists now use drones to monitor vast landscapes, identify threats, and track movements. Combined with global collaboration, these efforts offer a beacon of hope for saving Africa's unique ecosystems. Africa's wildlife is more than a scientific marvel, it is a shared heritage that belongs to the entire world. As nature enthusiasts and aspiring scientists, we have a responsibility to protect and preserve this legacy. Supporting conservation projects, donating to wildlife organizations, and advocating for sustainable tourism are small but impactful ways we can all contribute. Even simple actions, like spreading awareness or reducing our carbon footprint, can help mitigate the challenges these animals face. When we step up as stewards of the natural world, we not only protect wildlife but also safeguard the planet's future. As the African sun sets over the savannas, its golden rays illuminate one undeniable truth: the wildlife of Africa is a living treasure. From the mighty lion's roar to the gentle rumble of an elephant's footsteps, each creature is a reminder of the beauty, resilience, and interconnectedness of our planet's ecosystems. This is not just a story about science, it is a celebration of life itself. Let us carry forward these lessons, inspired to nurture and protect the wonders of the earth. Together, we can ensure that Africa's wild heart continues to beat for generations to come. Join us on this incredible journey of curiosity, discovery, and hope as we unlock the secrets of Africa's unique wildlife and cherish the legacy they leave behind.